Hi everyone, it's Nat here from Studio Hacks, and I'm starting a new series today called 0 to 100K in 100 days. Now, if you're new to the channel, I find ways of making passive income online, mainly through affiliate marketing, doing some paid ads, and content creation on social media. I have made a full-time passive income online, which means I get paid now whether I work or not. I'm going to have a look at yesterday's figures and let you know how much I earned. All right, so yesterday I earned $1,176. That's a little bit higher than average. I actually just ran the figures for the month of October. So let's have a look at those. So in October, I earned $23,067.58. That is on an ad spend of $6,309.05. So the total profit, the take home for the month, is $17,718.53. So yesterday's income of 1,100 and whatever it was, 76, I think, is a little bit higher than average. My average daily income over the past 3 to 6 months is about $850 to $900 a day. And that's very good. That's way better than what I ever earned when I used to be a full-time musician, when I was out there singing at weddings, staying out late at night, not getting to see my family very much. So what I'm going to do is I want to now scale my income up because I've found some really reliable ways to make income online. Those are creating content on YouTube, creating content on TikTok, doing affiliate marketing through paid ads on Google Ads. I'm going to be expanding that to Facebook ads shortly. I've also been learning how to do search engine optimization and use AI to write articles that I put on Medium and LinkedIn and my own blog, my own websites. And I've had some success using Reddit SEO as well. So you're basically writing articles and those articles are generating money for you because they're showing up in Google search results on a number of various topics. So I've really found some consistent ways to make money. It's really become a lot more successful over the last year. I am now ready to scale my income up to $100,000 a month. Basically, I really want to be earning $1 million a year because $20,000 a month, sort of on average, that I've been earning has been fantastic. But I have some personal goals that I really want to reach. I want to buy a house for me and my family. I want to really experience what it is to be wealthy rather than just, scraping by. Now you might say $20,000 a month, that's a lot. Well, it is, but with the cost of living at the moment and being the sole person that's supporting my family of 5, you'd be surprised. I don't really feel wealthy on $15,000 to $20,000 a month. It's still, slow progress. And I think life will really open up if I can get that figure up to $100,000 a month because I'll be earning $1 million a year. So what I'm going to be doing is creating a private community where you can basically look over my shoulder as I'm doing all the things that I'm doing, and you can see day to day what is working. I'll be posting updates, and I'll also be posting all of my courses in that private community. So I currently have a course called the YouTube Profits Masterclass. I'll be releasing a course called How to Make Money on TikTok. And I'll also create some tutorials on how I'm using AI to write affiliate articles on Medium, on LinkedIn, on how I'm using Reddit to generate income, and how I'm also using Pinterest and my own personal blogs. So I'll be popping up some short courses that you can do in an hour or two, or even less. Some of them might just be half an hour long form tutorials, but that will be really the technical stuff that I'll be doing. I'll be posting a video every day of the week for the next 100 days, Monday through Friday, where I'm going to be going over the figures for the day before and also sharing my earnings as they increase as I've been doing more activity and really scaling up my operations, spending more money on ads. And you can follow along with me and also learn yourself if you want to join the private community, you will be learning how you too can create an online passive income and hopefully free yourself from your job or whatever it is, or reach whatever financial goals. You could actually do a lot of what I'm doing alongside a job. So you basically, that would be called a side hustle, where you're doing 1 or 2 hours work every few days, just building it up a little bit. But some of the ways that I make money don't take a lot of work. It's really about setting up an ad, setting up where the traffic goes, and then having a daily amount that it spends. And you can start with as little as $5 to $10 a day. There are lots of free ways that I can teach you to create money online. So if that sounds good, make sure you subscribe to the channel and check in every day, where I'll be sharing my progress. Check in every day over the next 100 days, and hopefully at the end of these 100 days, I will be at that $100,000 a month mark. It's going to take a lot of work for me to scale my income up. $100,000 a month is around $5,000 a day in income. So where I'm at is just under the $1,000 mark. So I'm essentially going to try and 5x my income in 100 days. So if you're interested in that, I'll be here every day, 5 days a week for the next 100 days. I think I'll wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.